Did you know that crickets can actually tell us the temperature? It's true. These little creatures, often associated with warm summer nights, have a fascinating way of communicating that can give us a pretty good idea of how hot or cold it is outside. The science behind this is quite interesting. Crickets chirp at different rates depending on the temperature. The formula is surprisingly simple. If you count the number of chirps a cricket makes in 14 seconds and then add 40 to that number, you can estimate the temperature in degrees Fahrenheit. So, if you hear a cricket chirping 30 times in that span, you add 40, and voila, it's about 70 degrees Fahrenheit. This phenomenon is known as Dolbear's Law, named after the American physicist Amos Dolbear, who discovered this relationship in the late 19th century. It's a perfect example of how nature has its own built-in thermometer. Crickets are cold-blooded, which means their body temperature is influenced by their environment. As it gets warmer, they become more active and chirp more frequently. But it's not just about temperature. Chirping also plays a crucial role in cricket behavior. Males chirp to attract females and establish territory. The sound is produced by rubbing their wings together, a process called stridulation. Each species of cricket has its own unique song, which helps females identify the right mate. So, when you hear that familiar chirping, you're not just hearing a temperature gauge, you're listening to a love song. Interestingly, crickets have been used in various cultures as symbols of good luck and prosperity. In some traditions, people believe that having a cricket in your home brings good fortune. This belief might stem from their association with warmth and comfort, as they thrive in warmer climates. Now, let's talk about their habitat. Crickets are found all over the world, but they prefer environments that provide shelter and moisture. You'll often find them in gardens, fields, and even in your backyard. They're nocturnal creatures, which means they're most active at night. This is when you'll hear their symphony of chirps filling the air. Crickets also play an important role in the ecosystem. They serve as a food source for many animals, including birds, reptiles, and even some mammals. Plus, they help decompose organic matter, contributing to soil health. So, the next time you hear a cricket chirping, remember that it's not just a pleasant sound. It's a natural indicator of the temperature and a vital part of our ecosystem. These little insects are more than just background noise. They're a reminder of the intricate connections in nature and how even the smallest creatures can have a big impact.